part of this event. We have reached the 10th floor of Navin Minar Tower with a speed of 7 days slab cycle in a couple of months. Now, our internal anticipated forecast to reach the 40th floor of this tower is within 12 months to 14 months. We have always had a huge standard to maintain the quality, so we are using the most advanced form of technology of the world named as peri-formwork, and with that shuttering output we are giving the best quality standards which will sustain many centuries from here. And in the upcoming days our target for pouring this slab in monthly target of 3000 cubic meter per month, and we are expecting this will move in as early as possible. Thank you so much.